Hello everyone. Today we are gonna solve same tree. So in this problem, we are given a root of two binary tree and we have to check that are these two binary trees are same or not. Okay. So this is one example, and this example you can check this one is same. The value of this one is same, and then the right child and the left child is same, and their left child is also same. So you can see the whole structure and the value, both of them are same. So how we are going to solve this problem? So I can say my function is, I have given root 1, I can say this is root 1, and I have give root 2 value. So now what I have to do is I have to return are they same or not. So I can say I have to return bool. So how I will solve this problem? So let's consider some cases. So the first case is if this is null, if this is null and this is not null, if this is null and this is not null, in that case, is it possible that both of the tree are same? No. Is it not possible? If any of these trees null or have zero node, in that case it can't be same. If they can be same if and only if both of the trees have zero nodes. Okay, so the first condition I will say, if my either root 1 and root 2, so if any of this, if both of them are null, in that case I will return true. If both of them are null, then I will return true, because both of them have zero node, so I do not have to check the values. Okay, so now the second thing is, if one is have zero node and second have non-zero nodes. Okay, second have this. So in this case, are they same? No. So what I am saying is, if my one node is not empty and one is empty, in that case my answer will be false. In that case my answer will be false. Now what I have to check? If I have checked the non-null condition, now I have to check is my current node value is equals to this node value. If this node value is not equal, then there is no need to check this. We can directly say they are not same. If instead of 1, if it will be 2. So even though the structure and the other nodes are same, we will not move forward because this is 2 and this is 1. They are not equal. We will not move forward. Here I will return false. Okay. So but right now it is 1. So I have to check the next is I will return is this node root 1 value equals to root 2 value or not. Is it equals to or not? Do I have to check any other equation, any other thing? Yes. Right now we have checked only this one node, but we have to check all the trees. So for that, what I will do, I will say this is same. I am saying this is same. Now I have to check its left subtree, also its right subtree. So what I will do, I will say recursively I have done this. Now my input is smaller. Now I have to check for this and for this. So now let's see how I am gonna solve this. So I will again call this function, and passing the root as my root 1 left and root 2 left. Now what it will check after checking 1, it will check my left subtrees. It will check this 2 and this 2. It will check this. And after checking this, if and only if this is true, then it will check its right also. If this is true, means they are same. In that case, it will check its right as well. For right, what I will write, root 2 right, that is root 1 right. Root 1 right equals to root 2 right. If it is same, then this is our code. So now let's have a dry run to understand it in more detail. So first of all, my f11 is called f11 will call for this root as 1 and this root as 1. Now I am checking this one is null, this one is null. No, it is not null. So it is not null, and if either of them is null, no. Then I will come to this condition. This condition, but it will say that are these values equal? Yes, the values are equal. Then it will comes to this. If this value is, if either of these values is not equal, in that case it will not move ahead. It will directly say false. They are not same. Now if this is true, then I will go to this. So what is the benefit of this and end? If this condition is true, then it will go to this. Okay, and if this is true, then it will go to this. If any of this will false, then it will not go to this. Okay, so now what I have to do is, after f11 it will say that this is true. Now let's go to f22. It's left and it's left, both of them are true. Okay, and now it will check both of them are not null, so this two condition will not. Then it will check these values are same. Yes, values are same. And then it check its left. So its left is null. Its left is null. You can say its left is null. So which condition? Both of them left is null. If this have 1, let's say if this have 1, so in that case what will happen? Root 1 is null. Root 1 is null, but root 2 is not null. In that case it will return false. But right now both of them are null, so they are equal. So it will return true. It will return true. So what I can say that f22 left return true. This return true. Now I will check if it's right, and its right is also null, so it will also return true. So this true, and this is true. All of them is returning true. So I can say for f11 its left return true. Its left return true. So now I will check its right. So for right I will call 3 and then 3 will check all condition and check that 3 is equal, and it will call its left. So this 4 is also equal, then it will call its left. Its left is null. Both of them is null, so they will return true. If they will return true, right is also null for both of them, so they will also return true. So this 4 will return true. 4 will return true. So this 4 returning true, and its right side is null, and both right side is null, so they will also return true. So true, and this value is also same in both, so this will also true. So this f33 will return send true to this, so this will get true, and finally we get our answer as true. That is our both of this tree is same. So what will the time complexity? Talking about the time complexity, so time complexity will be of n, and space complexity will be also of n for this functional call stack memories. I hope you understand this solution. If it helps you, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.